Hi everyone, welcome to our touring outside Yerevan. Our first stop for the day here at the monument, Charents Arch. So it's one of the sightseeing you have to do when you're in Yerevan. It's quite beautiful. It's so pretty. If it was clearer, you could have seen Ararat mountain. So take a look. Was amazed to see such old cars like the Lada Samara from the 90s. It was really nice. Another nice stop, so you can take a picture with I love Garni. So this is where we enter Garni, so we can head to the temple. Just came to our second stop, but this is Garni Temple. So you need a ticket, guys. For children under 12 years old, it's free. Our tickets cost 1,500 Armenians. So here we go. We've got a 30-minute time to go visit the temple. Let's go. Raining day today. That's not stopping us from touring. Heading to the temple, UNESCO Heritage.
Hello.
The beautiful Garni Temple, the only standing Greco-Roman building in Armenia. This is a beautiful Ionic building. It's located 30 kilometers east of Yerevan. Hello from the Garni Temple. Temple, Garni Temple. This was completely destroyed by an earthquake in 1679, but after it was restored by various architects by the 1900s. Outside the temple, you can also try out some local delights. So let's take a look. Try. So we got some sweets and headed off for our next stop. Symphony of the Stones. This is a famous place as well to visit when you're in Yerevan, Armenia basically, since it's outside Yerevan. There's an admission ticket of 300 Armenian, only for adults, kids are free. Also known as the Garni Gorge. This is a protected area and it's listed as a natural monument. You can see how well preserved the cliff walls are. You can see the basalt columns. These were carved out by the Garni River, which passes from the area. On to our next stop to see how they make their local bread.
Not 3 minutes, 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
So this is lavash. This is the traditional bread that they made. Here's another one. Thank you very much, Arthur. So Arthur brought us here so we can try their traditional bread. It's made with flour and water, and they put it in, let's say, oven in the ground that you saw for around 20 to 30 seconds maximum, and it's ready. So we're going to treat ourselves here with the wonderful bread. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No? No?
Just give it like that.
Yes? Kata?
Nice.
Kata.
Soft, very soft. It's like pita bread, but it's even thinner than the pita bread. We're going to try traditional brandy, arara. A few kilometers nearby, we're heading to St. Gerhard Monastery. This is a medieval monastery in the Kodayak province of Armenia. It's partially carved out of the adjacent mountains, as you can see, and it's surrounded by cliffs. This is an UNESCO World Heritage Site. We just came to St. Gerhard's Monastery. This is located outside Yerevan of around an hour. So it's a wonderful monastery, very old. They don't know the precise date it was constructed. They gather it was around the 4th century. So let's take a look around. You can see that it's not only the monastery, it's also the place where the monks used to live. So take a look on the mountain, you will see the rooms and chambers, but they are not accessible, so we can go now. So we can only access the main monastery. We're off to Lake Sevavank, so it's around 1 hour 30 minutes from the monastery St. Gerhard. We are at the beautiful monastery of Sevavank. It was founded in 874 by Princess Mariam. This was thought to be a very holy and strict monastery since it was intended for the monks who had sinned. We managed to come uphill, so we're located at the top point of the hill to come and see the temple of Sevavank, one of the most famous attractions here in Armenia. And behind us you can also see Lake Sevavank. It's a wonderful view. It stretches from here until Yerevan, around 230-250 kilometers, and it's also 2,000 meters above sea level. It's quite the wonder, so take a look.
Armenian.
We also stopped at the souvenir shop to get some souvenirs to take back home. So here's the shop. Thank you very much. We got some magnets, and here you can find a lot of, you said Armenian silver. Yes? Thank you very much.
After a wonderful long day touring the outskirts of Yerevan, we're heading to get lunch.
We came to a big restaurant so we can have our lunch. So they're very famous for their fish, and it's also situated on the lake, which is wonderful. Oh, so we got our salad first. We got bread. Hello, Arthur. This is our lovely driver and tour guide for the day. When you're in town, you pick Arthur. He will take you everywhere.
Thank you, thank you.
Hi. And here again, Chris, outside of the window.
We ordered the fish platter. It looks so juicy and amazing. The price was around €60 for the platter. We also got some fish and some kebab for the kids.
This is where you can find fresh fish in Baigal and Lake Sevavank. So a wonderful choice. We had the best fish with a great view, so very well recommended. When you're here, make sure to try it out.